Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as always we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off your autoplay on Apple Music. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for you to simply go ahead and access your Apple Music app in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna open up right once you have tapped on your app, and here in this section you're gonna go to your library. And if you are, let's say, you simply have added or you are playing a playlist for yourself, right? So you have started playing that particular playlist to yourself. So once you have that playlist, along with the playlist, whenever you try to play, here in this section you will find this three icons. One will be shuffle icon, one will be simply rotating the songs that you like, and another one will be this infinity symbol. Okay, that infinity symbol is simply the autoplay symbol. You're simply gonna go ahead, turn that off. If that symbol is there highlighted with the gray color, that means that particular option is turned on. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on it, and you will be able to turn that off. So that is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.